Looking for the ultimate student living experience? Look no further than the Tudor Studios. With a range of studios and ensuite rooms to choose from, this place is perfect for you to make your home. Flaunt your favorite bed sheets on the bed and get down to business at the study desk to focus on the projects. And let's not forget the oven for those late-night croissant cravings. Feeling restless? Work it out at the gym or let loose and have some fun in the games room. And when you need to unwind with your squad, the communal space and outdoor area are great spots for you to get together on weekends and make some unforgettable memories. Plus, Tudor Studios is just a quick walk to Montfort University and a short bus or train ride to the University of Leicester, so you won't miss out on any of the action. When it's time to indulge, treat yourself to crispy chili squid at Turtle Bay Leicester Caribbean restaurant or hang out with pals and enjoy a chilled beer while listening to the music scene at the Crow's Nest pub. And for all your weekly groceries, the nearby Tesco Superstore has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com and book your spot now.